kagawad, isa sa akong kagawad, Honorable Martino Calonia.
Flowing from the grace that I found in you. Lord, I come to you, the weaknesses I see in me, well be stripped away by the power of your love.
The turnover of our newly renovated classroom. Today marks an exciting milestone for our school community as we unveil a space that has been thoughtfully transformed to foster learning, creativity, and growth. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone who made this renovation possible.
Halino ka naman at ang amin ay magkalamigan. Pagmamahalan lang naman ang malalabasan. Dito, in the person of Mrs. Cagion, ma'am, kayo na ang bahala sa unit nito. That is why I told this our gathering is very important because of this particular recognition. Once again, our very own district supervisor, together with his staff.
I am very much honored to accept and privileged to be a grade 2 SCCS advisor, whom the recipient of this project. As the advisor of grade 2 SCCS, whom the recipient of this project, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the personalities who initiated to make this project realized. To Sir Warlito Cayasan and Sir Nilo Malanov, who work hand in hand to allocate budget for this project.
Kagawad Calonia, no? Ngayong hapon, dear sir, ayon, welcome sa atong eskwelahan. Our principal, Sir Warlito Cayasan, the twin of my classmate Carlito Cayasan, my classmate sa WEMSU, major in mathematics. Of course, the mga dinapit na bisita from the parents, no? And of course, our dear teachers. So, kaibalo lang ako sa ato ang barangay council inaagi ni Sir Calonia, Kagawad Calonia at sa mga parents na atong eskwelahan tinuod na ay MOE. Doon man siya kabastag. Baan na siya sa tubig, mayroon sa tubig, unaaman, kuryente, plus watchman, kung na may watchman, supplies, no? Uban pa.